ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361 19558. Menteri Rangba jong Sarkar Jilla Konrad Konggal Sangma hagala asngi ublai jong khat santarik ubna naiwing arajar arpuai ula pentib baka Sarkar Jilla kala depan penkre ya ka detailed project report naga benta ban snapen bha ya ka surok ka penyeso ya ka snong nongston shadow ka snong mauet ya ka bala bay pisa lingba ka World Bank. Ulo ongru baka sarkar kala khami ilenti baha ubnai rempang jong snam arajar arpuar ansala aban sedang pentreno ya ka benta ka beningkong jong kene ka surok ka bajrong lai pusan kilometer. Nalor kita ki wei ki kampen roy ki ba menteri rangba ula penbena ha ka jingelang bat ki nongrep ha nongston ula ongru ba ki dang don shushu shibun ki kampen roy ki badang don kam ha po ka West Khasi Hills district bat ya kita amla ban le sisen le menta hanrei walla kataru ka sarkar jilla kala thau shibun ki lat ki lenti ban wanra ye ki kampen roy la ka long ha ka lenti ka sengke ka umbam umdi ha ka pule puthi bat ki wei.
At the same time, I'm also happy to inform you that under the World Bank, we have already finished the DPR and submitted the project for Nongstoin Mauet Road, 35 kilometers in the first phase. The DPR has been submitted. World Bank officials and headquarters should be giving us a green signal by the end of this month. I hope by December to max January, we should be able to tender out this project, and by February mid, the work for Shillong, for Nongstoin Mauet Road also should start around February. So major projects like these are in a very advanced stage, and I'm very happy that these are happening. And apart from that, there are many other development works, whether you call it Jal Jeevan Mission projects going on throughout the district, PMGSY roads that are going on throughout the district. Even simple projects like the MGNREGA, the job cards that we get, has seen an exponential growth in the amount of money that has come in from a mere 600 crores today at almost 1600 crores we are spending every year to fund the MGNREGA schemes. Apart from that, you're aware that the water supply scheme had come to a standstill even in Nongstoin. We have ensured that that also will be complete. I am hopeful that we should be able to complete it very soon. If it's not completed yet, I think another few months. Yeah, another few months we should be able to. And we have given sufficient fund from the state budget to ensure that the Nongstoin water supply scheme is completed. At the same time, we've also recently just sanctioned for Sip Singh Memorial School. It's a higher secondary school out here, which is one of the oldest higher secondary schools in the entire state. So I'm happy to announce that we have also sanctioned close to 6 crores for a new building for the higher secondary school also. That work also, we are hopeful, in the next 1 or 2 months, the work allotment should be done and we should be able to start the work. Apart from that, there are many other, of course, programs and development schemes that are going on. We are also working on a major scheme for the internal roads of Nongstoin town. 12 crores has been earmarked under the World Bank project for this. DPR preparation is in progress. I hope that very soon the internal Nongstoin town roads also project should kick off and work should start very soon for that project also. So therefore a lot of work is going on. Of course it's not enough. We are never satisfied as a government also, and it is my endeavor to see that West Khasi Hills district today being at a very backward level in terms of its development and human index. We would want and would like to see that in the coming years West Khasi Hills district should become one of the top performing and the most developed districts in the state as a whole. And with that target, I would urge our officials, I would urge our local headmen, I would urge our MLAs that this work has to be done unitedly. You cannot expect that government will do everything. Government has got its role to do, but society also has to play its part.